Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine using GlowRecipe. I've already cleansed my face using the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. It's definitely my go-to nowadays. First I'm going to apply the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. And sometimes I use like a cotton ball like you see now to apply it to my face. Other times I may just use my hand. But for this video I'm going to be using the cotton ball. And I also would like to say that I purchased this kit from Sephora. But you can also purchase this from the GlowRecipe website. Next, I'm going to be using the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This adds deep hydration and a glow to the skin. This is definitely my most favorite item out of the kit. I love how moisturized my skin feels after applying this. Next, I'm going to be using the very popular Watermelon Glow Dew Drops. And this helps to add radiance and it also helps to brighten the skin. The first time I tried this item was when I received it in a BoxyCharm box. And I fell in love with it and I've been buying it ever since. Next, I use the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, and I just apply a dime-sized amount using my ring finger around both eyes. Last but not least, I then use the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer to help give my skin even more moisture. And that's it. That's my skincare routine. Please let me know in the comments what products you like to use. Thanks for watching my video.